Today we're in Brellinger at 564 Lacroix Way, and this is our featured listing this week. I cannot wait to show you all of the great features this house has to offer. So come on inside and let's take a look. The first thing you'll notice about this home, which is absolutely amazing, is the floor plan. So we're standing right here in the middle of the main living space, and you'll see the nice and open living room, kitchen area, which has a main floor master, which is great. All the living spaces down here that you will want with an office and a formal dining room, but wait till you see the upstairs. This is going to be your favorite place too. On the upper level, you'll find 3 very large bedrooms. One has its private bathroom, and the other 2 share a bathroom, but have their own private sinks, and they have walk-in closets. Not to mention, there are 2 other very nice sized walk-in closets up here for extra storage space. And check out the size of this amazing master bath. You have a large soaking tub with jets, this beautiful walk-in shower, separate sinks, and separate closets. And if you love to entertain, you are going to love this kitchen. Check out this huge island where you can put all of your stuff during those holiday parties, not to mention tons of space in the back, and it's open to the living area. This home has everything, including an amazing location and private backyard. So if you'd like to take the full tour, give us a call and let us show you where you can live where you love.